So I think the important thing to recognize about this analysis is that it really looks across many different tumor types. So it was 1,040 patients, and a large number of the patients were CLL patients, but there were also a large number of patients that were myeloma patients and aggressive lymphoma patients, all of whom are going to demonstrate very different adverse effects or adverse events. And most of those adverse events are going to likely be tumor related and not drug related. And therefore, because this was a heterogeneous population and a population of patients that were by and large sicker than what we might expect to see in just a CLL population, and also populations of patients where acalabrutinib is not as efficacious as it is in CLL, we do see a lot of adverse events that are not really related to the drug and make the drug's profile look a little messier. And it's important to keep that in mind when you look at the data that we're showing and compare it to what we might expect from a pure CLL population. So this study actually pooled patients on acalabrutinib monotherapy from 9 different studies that were being conducted and sort of looked at the data in all of them in aggregate. The median follow-up for the patients in the study was approximately 52 months. And what we really showed most importantly is that the drug acalabrutinib was really well tolerated, and that given the fact that we now finally have some long-term follow-up for patients on acalabrutinib, that it looks like the tolerability that we saw early on is maintained with long-term follow-up.